What's up people, ManRat here, coming to you with a video. This time we are going to be making garlic roasted vegan crispy potatoes. For that we have taken 2 potatoes, boiled them slightly, not till the point of they're fully boiled, so they're a little bit malleable. I did leave the skin on the red potatoes because they give an extra flavor. In addition to that, I did chop up 1/4 of an onion, 2 cloves of garlic and Thai chili. All these ingredients are to your taste, so you can customize them as you feel like. We are going to be using an air fryer that I had previously unboxed. If you don't have an air fryer, you can also use your oven. It's pretty easy to make this dish. First, in a small bowl, put a little bit of oil. If you can, use extra virgin olive oil or a good olive oil. To that, we're going to be adding salt to taste. We're also going to be adding freshly ground black pepper and a little bit of rosemary. Rosemary is a very strong spice, Italian spice, so use it sparsely. Once that's in, mix it up just a little bit, and then to that oil mixture we're going to be adding the garlic, the green chilies, and the onions. Once you do that, just mix them up. The main intention is all the spices or all the ingredients that are going to give it a nice taste are mixed in well, and they are covered with oil well. That helps them to bind to the potatoes. We are now going to be adding some cheese to this. This is strictly an option. I'm using vegan cheese. You can use regular cheese, but just adding it just a little bit, like maybe a spoon. Now to make them extra crispy, we're going to be adding about a teaspoon of pico breadcrumbs. If you're making it vegan, make sure to check the ingredients. That way the ingredients of the breadcrumbs that you're getting are vegan and they don't have any shortening or anything like that. And the cheese that they're using is also vegan cheese. Mix that up. Once you mix it up, add the potatoes and do it in batches. Do not add all of them at once. The reason why we want to add them in batches, that way we can cover them as much as we can. By the way, this will be a perfect time to taste it a little bit to see if it needs any salts or if it needs any pepper. We got our air fryer out and we're going to be putting it pointy side up. That way they start crisping up quick. And please leave a little bit of room in between each of them. That way they do get a chance to cook properly. And the end result should look something like this. If a little bit is on the bottom, don't worry about it. It's a non-stick surface and you will have to clean it off. Worst case scenario, you can just shake it up. That way anything that's stuck can go to the bottom. This goes in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. It's now in the air fryer for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we'll take a look how it looks like. If you're using a regular oven, bring it up to as high as it can go and then put it on bake. Do not bake it on, put it on broil, put it on bake. And keep an eye on it, because depending on the size of the potato, the cooking time will vary. So we will see you in 10 minutes. Alright, quick update. I did bring down the temperature of my air fryer to 350. It has gone to the 7-minute mark. I'm going to take out the basket and see what they are looking like. Alright, they have started to get slightly golden brown. I'm going to put it back in and let it go a little more. Alright, a few more minutes in. We are going to be taking it out, looking at it. They are almost looking perfect. At this point, I'm going to just shake them up. And now we're going to be putting it back in the air fryer for 2 more minutes. And ding, they are done. Time to take them out. And oh my god, they just look perfect. And the basket is completely clear. One trick that I learned from one of my YouTube friends that I follow is just put aluminum foil. That way it catches all the bits, and that way you don't have to clean the basket. And this is the final result. They look really delicious. They are still hot. And in the words of the great chef from Food Wishes, fork don't lie. Listen to this. As far as the serving suggestion is concerned, here I am serving it with a little bit of sriracha and ketchup mixed. So that's the sriracha ketchup. You can serve it with the marinara sauce if you like. You can serve it with the Cool Whip if you also like. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys and gals on the next one. Later, people.